welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro MUA, welcome. Today I created my first look in like 4 months. I know it's been forever, I'm so sorry. And I created this look using the Anastasia and Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. This is a beautiful palette. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so it's been so long since I've recorded a video. Even the video before this one wasn't like the greatest. It was my skincare routine and I was very out of it. I didn't have all my lights set up. I've just been blah lately. Like I haven't been in the mood to record a video. And I think it's been since Christmas, which is crazy. It's been a few months. So I'm glad to finally sit here and record a video again. Let's talk about the biggest things that have happened to me really quickly before we start. One, obviously, I have officially dyed my hair brown. I couldn't deal with the blonde. Like, I loved it. I missed the blonde. I want to go back to blonde. But my hair is dead. Like, dead. My hair is so dead. It is so damaged from all the bleaching and all the hair dye. The maintenance was just crazy. I cannot deal with that. I think I was going to the hair salon every 4 to 6 weeks to get my roots done. Never mind the cost. Oh my god, it was costing me so much money to get my hair done. And because I got engaged, I need to like sit down and save my money instead of spending it all the damn time. So I decided that going brunette would be the best way to just save my money, save my hair. Yeah, I think I was spending about $200 to $300 every 4 to 6 weeks to get my hair done, and that's just like, it's just not necessary for me right now. Maybe in the future I'll go back to blonde, maybe, because I miss it and I love it. But like, look at my hair. Let me see if I can find. There we go. Do you see how short that is? This is not the length of my actual hair, so it's, let's see if I can find more. It's all around the top layer of my hair. There we go. More over here. Like over here. This used to be the same like length as my hair. This. Do you see that? It's crazy how bad my hair is. And then my second big, like the second thing that's the biggest that's happened to me is that my fiance and I decided to get another puppy. We got an American bully, so he's a pit bull. His name is Zeus, and we love him so much already. I think we've had him for about 2.5 weeks now, and oh my god, we love him so much. Bear gets along with him really well, which is awesome. I think I'm just good with having puppies and no babies for the rest of my life because I love them. They are my babies. Now that we have talked about everything that's going on in my life, we can go ahead and get started with the makeup look. I'm going to be using the Amrezy palette. This is a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. I bought this palette when it was first released, and I think it was like a month and a half ago. And like, that's how you can tell I haven't been in the mindset to record a video, because I bought this as soon as it came out and I was not able to sit down and record a video. I mean, I've dabbled with the colors, I've played with them, but I just didn't have the energy to sit here and record a video. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be using this palette, and guys, it is beautiful. Okay, so first we're going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. To be priming the eyelids, and to do that I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. First I'm going to start with OG, and I'm going to put that in the crease and taking it a little bit below the crease as well. Next I'm going to be taking 1988 and applying that to the crease as well. Oh, another big thing I forgot to mention, I also bought a brand new camera. I was hoping, because my other camera didn't have autofocus while I was recording, so it was really a huge pain in the ass to record a video. I couldn't focus on products unless I stopped the video, did the products, continue the video, stop the video, show the next product, do the video. And then for some reason, when I updated my Mac, because I use my Mac as a monitor, Canon didn't have a program that was up to date, so I couldn't use it as a monitor. So that's another reason why I just was out of it, didn't want to use it. I mean, I bought this camera like a month ago, so I should have recorded a while ago as well. Like I said, I just haven't been in the mental state to record a video. Next, I'm going to be taking Yugo, and I'm going to be focusing that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to be cutting the crease, and to do that, I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. Next, I'm going to go into Gemini, and I'm going to focus that on the inner corner. And next, I am going to take Litty. Jumping back into Yugo, I'm going to blend that into Litty. Next, I'm just going to take some eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Big Eagle Mascara. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Everlash Co lashes in Bella. No, there's a bear hair stuck on my lash. Can't go anywhere in this house without finding bear hair. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. I've gained weight. Can you see it? It's in my face. It's in my belly. I'm fat as fuck. I don't know, man, being at home during this coronavirus thing, I've been just snacking all day long. Snacking. I'm working on my laptop because I'm working from home, and I'm just snacking it. Type, 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 type. Type, 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 type. It's bad. Like, I've gained a lot of weight. I can see it in my face. I can see it in my stomach. It's really bad in my stomach. So I have to lose weight too, so that's fun. Yay. Anyways, I'm going to do this other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I have finished this eye. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Can I just say the one thing I don't like about going back to my natural hair color is that my hair gets so oily so fast. Like, I have to wash my hair every other day, sometimes every day, because like you just see the oil more. And with the blonde, it was like 4 days before you could actually see that my hair was oily. Fuck the sacrifices I gotta make. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 102. Concealer today, I'm going to be taking the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. To set my under eyes and the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Finish off with the eyes. First, I'm going to be taking OG and applying that directly to the under eye. And next, I'm going to go into 1988 and just blend that into OG. So for the bottom lash line, I like to apply a waterproof mascara. And to do that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama Bronzer. And for contour, I'm going to be going into the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm going to jump into the shade Contour 2. For blush today, I'm going to jump into the MAC Cosmetics Powder Blush in Modern Mandarin. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl in Gilded Honey. Left now is my lips, and today I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. Lastly, we are going to set the face, and to do that I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Alright guys, this completes my first look in 4 months. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. Next I'm going to be Next I'm going to be taking the Tarte Cosmetic to prime my face. I'm going to be taking the Nars. I'm going to be taking the Nars Radiant Cream. Taking the Nars Radiant. Why can't I say Radiant? Taking the Nars Radiant. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Voluminous Lash. I started guessing the name and I got it way wrong.